Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't type in the search bar on Windows. First step is press Windows and R keys. Type temp, delete all files and folders. Second step is open File Explorer. C Drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Type CTFMon.exe in search bar. Right-click CTFMon.exe, click Show More Options, Send to Desktop shortcut. Type Windows and R keys, type Shell Command Common Startup. Simply copy shortcut and paste it. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.